Hello and welcome. Buckler for the new episode of Organic Chat. This is PJ, your host. In a world where success often seems reserved for well-funded, the experienced, and the well-connected, the story of Tesla and the Elon Musk serves as a powerful reminder that greatness isn't determined by the resources, but by the vision, perseverance, and an unwavering belief in what's possible, and more importantly, a man who faced overwhelming odds and yet refused to give up. A story that proves that when passion, vision, and sheer determination meet adversity, incredible things can happen. Yes, today's topic is all about all odds, the Tesla's revolution. In 2018, the world was ready to write off Tesla. Experts said it was doomed. Mercedes predicted bankruptcy by summer. BMW said they'd never able to mass production vehicles. Wall Street called it a production nightmare. Every analyst and automaker in the world seemed certain that Tesla would fail. But in the face of doubt, one man refused to give up. His name was Elon Musk. Elon Musk could have listened to the critics and he could have thrown in the towel, admitted defeat, and let Tesla fade into the history as just another failed startup. But that's not the kind of person he is. He did not have billions of dollars in the bank like the traditional automakers. And he did not have the decades of experience they boasted. But he had something far more powerful: vision and determination towards. When everyone else thought Tesla was on the brink of collapse, Elon made a bold decision. Instead of sitting in an office overseeing the crisis, he moved into the factory with a pillow in hand and he set up a camp on the production floor, surrounded by the engineers and workers. His mission to fix the problem, to turn things around, and to prove that Tesla could succeed against all odds. Elon did not just give the orders. He rolled up his sleeves and he walked into the production lines, inspecting every station, making sure each detail was perfect. When things weren't working, he did not just point fingers. He fixed them. He rewrote the software code with his own hands, fired managers who did not share his vision, and even made middle of the night calls to suppliers demanding the parts. Tesla needed to stay on the track. One night, the factory was a scene of chaos. The Model 3 Tesla flagship car wasn't coming together and engineers had to give up, declaring it impossible. But Elon refused to accept that. He jumped into the fray himself and getting covered in oil as he worked tirelessly to repair that car. His words were simple but powerful: either we fix it or we die. That was a turning point. And it wasn't just about fixing a car. It was about fixing a company, a dream, and a vision of what the future could be. And then something incredible happened. What seemed impossible started to become a reality. And here's the key. He believed. He believed in Tesla. He believed in the vision. And the most of all, he believed in the people around him. And that belief paid off. Within months, Tesla went from producing just 202 models and first week and to an astonishing 5,000 per week. By the third month, by the end of the year, Tesla posted its first profitable quarter. What was once a company everyone ridiculed and became a legitimate threat, a force to be reckoned with. The result: in just a few short years, Tesla is now worth more than Toyota, GM, Ford, and BMW. Combined, the story isn't just about cars or companies. It is about the vision. It is about the grit. It is about standing firm in the face of doubt, uncertainty, and the fear, and pushing forward anyway. Yes, Elon Musk wasn't handed success. He did not have all the resources, the experience, or the easy path. But he had one thing that made all the difference: relentless perseverance. He had the courage to believe in what others could not see. And he had the resilience to keep going when it felt like the world was against him. The question is, what's your vision? What are you willing to fight for? Even when everyone else says it is impossible, the road won't always be easy, right? And there will be doubters, and there will be setbacks. But if you stay focused on your goal, if you are willing to get your hands dirty, and if you are willing to sacrifice and give everything you have, just like Elon Musk did, and there's no limit to what you can achieve. Elon Musk's journey proves that no matter how impossible the odds may be, seems if you believe in your vision, you are willing to fight for what you know is possible. Even when the world tells you otherwise, you can create something extraordinary. So let this story be a reminder to you. No matter where you are in the journey, no matter how many people doubt you, no matter how many obstacles stand in your way, never give up. Keep pushing it. Keep believing, because sometimes the difference between success and failures is simply refusing to quit. The world may laugh at you, but now if you stay true to your vision, and one day they will stop laughing and start talking to you seriously. So dream big, work hard, and remember the path to the greatness. And it is never easy, but it is always worth it. And that's how Tesla went from struggling startup to the leader of the electric revolution. All because someone refused to give up. Remember, success isn't given, it is earned. And it is earned through perseverance and through vision and through unwavering belief that you can create something that changes the world. And so let's get to work. Let's move forward with purpose. Let's show the world that, like Tesla, we can rise from the ashes and prove that impossible is just a word, not a reality. And the moral is, perseverance and vision can turn the impossible into the possible. In a world filled with doubt and obstacles, it is easy to be discouraged, right? But Elon Musk's journey reminds us that success doesn't come from having all the answers or resources. It comes from the courage to keep pushing forward, right? No matter how tough the road gets, when you believe in your vision and you're willing to make sacrifices and refuse to give up in the face of adversity, you can overcome even the greatest challenges and create something extraordinary. So never let the setbacks define you. Use them as a stepping stones towards your greatest achievements. Until my next segment, take care and love you all.